What's going on, gearheads and future fanatics? Welcome back to Autonet ID. Today, we're about to unveil a car that'll redefine the Mustang legacy. Buckle up, because the 2025 Ford Mustang Sedan, also known as the Black Stallion, is here to break the mold. Let's start with that aggressive front fascia. The iconic Mustang tri-bar headlights are reimagined with a sleek, futuristic LED design, creating a fierce and focused visage. A sculpted hood with integrated heat extractors hints at the potent power lurking beneath the sleek exterior. The signature Mustang grille gets a modern makeover with a black honeycomb mesh and a glowing blue pony emblem in the center for a touch of electrifying flair. The Black Stallion silhouette is a perfect blend of classic muscle and modern aerodynamics. The sloping roofline with a panoramic glass sunroof creates a sense of spaciousness, while the sculpted fenders with integrated air vents pay homage to the Mustang's racing heritage. Sleek, flush door handles with proximity sensors seamlessly integrate into the body, adding to the futuristic look. The black metallic paint shimmers in the city lights, accented by a subtle blue racing stripe that flows along the body, adding a sporty touch. The rear of the Black Stallion is as futuristic as the front. Sleek LED taillights, shaped like elongated Mustang silhouettes, blaze to life with a dynamic sequential lighting animation. A subtle integrated spoiler adds a touch of aerodynamic downforce for improved handling. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly with the body, creating a clean and sophisticated design. This isn't just a pretty face, folks. The Black Stallion boasts a next-generation hybrid powertrain that delivers earth-shattering electric torque combined with the legendary Mustang performance. All-wheel drive with various selectable driving modes ensures it can handle any road, from a curvy mountain highway to a bustling city street. The 2025 Ford Mustang Sedan, the Black Stallion, is a true revolution. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of design and performance, all while staying true to the Mustang legacy. So, if you're looking for a car that's equal parts iconic muscle and futuristic innovation, the 2025 Ford Mustang Sedan, the Black Stallion, is the perfect choice. Let us know what you think of this electrifying evolution in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more epic car content. Until next time, keep on Stanjin.